Hi, what's your name? Where do you live? How old are you? Where are you from? How many languages do you speak? Why do you want to learn English? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. How have you been? أعزائي المشاهدين أهلا وسهلا بكم بقناتنا اليوم. As you saw from the presentation, it was all about questions. Questions. Why? Because the questions are very important, you know? متابعيني الأعزاء مثل ما انت شفتوا بالpresentation بالبداية هي كانت كلها عبارة عن أسئلة لأنه درسنا لليوم راح يكون عن ال WH questions عن أدوات الاستفهام أو أدوات الأسئلة كلمات السؤال باللغة الإنجليزية مثل ما هي موضحة بالصورة who, why, when, where, what, which, how. Today I will explain the meaning of these words, when should we use them, why should we use them, the correct pronunciation, and of course the grammar related to it. أعزائي المتابعين مثل ما قلت لكم اليوم درسنا راح يكون عن ال WH questions باللغة الإنجليزية. راح أشرح لكم كيفية استخدامها، متى نستخدمها، بأي مواقف ممكن استخدامها، وأكيد التلفظ الصحيح. Before starting this lesson, I want you to subscribe our channel on YouTube, like our Facebook page, share our videos with your friends and family, follow our Instagram, and most importantly, turn on your notification bell so that you can get the notifications when the videos are uploaded. Are you ready to start? You should be ready. Today's lesson is going to be very important, easy, I hope, and not very complicated. So let's start. We can start with the first question word, which is what. What. The correct pronunciation is what, not what. There is no h sound. It's only the w sound. What. When can we use this question word? We use it when we want to ask about general information. نستخدم هاي كلمة السؤال لما نستعلم عن معلومات بصورة عامة عن شخص ما أو عن شيء ما. مثل ما مكتوب asking for information about something. For example, the most common question, what is your name? What is your name? What is your favorite color? أيضا نستخدم هذه الكلمة لما نطلب الشخص يعيد المعلومات لمرة ثانية للتأكيد أو لفهم المعلومات لمرة أخرى. ممكن نستخدم هاي الكلمة what. For example, what? I can't hear you. You did what? إذا انتبهتوا من تون الصوت هنا دا نسأل الشخص لإعادة المعلومات asking for repetition or for confirmation of course. Also, what for is asked when we want to know the reason, asking why. So the typical question word for asking about the reason is why. Excellent, very good. But also we can use what for to ask for the reason. Okay, so it's not only why. Sometimes native speakers use what for. What for, it means why, simply. انتبهوا على كلمة what for نستخدمها للسؤال عن السبب. الكلمة الأصح هي why، بس ممكن الأشخاص بالدول الناطقة باللغة الإنجليزية يستخدمون what for. مو بس why، ممكن also the word what for. For example, what did you do that for? What did you do that for? I did that because it was interesting. For an example. Okay, so don't forget what we asked to get general information, to ask for repetition or confirmation. What for is to ask for a reason. When? When? It's very simple. It's to ask about time. Asking about time. When هي كلمة نستعلم عن الوقت. When did he leave? When did he leave? When does the class start? When will you come? When should we meet? When is asking about the time. When, not when, no, when. Pay attention, the correct pronunciation is when. Where? Where? Where is to ask of course about the place. عن المكان. الاستعلام عن المكان نستخدم كلمة where, not where. No, where. Where do you live? Where are you from? Where would you like to meet? Where is the place? Where is the restaurant? Which نستخدمها لما نتكلم عن الاختيارات إذا كان في خيار. Which color do you want? Which day is your favorite? Which month do you like the most? Which language do you speak fluently? Which دائما يتبعها noun. Which color? Which day? Which place? Which language? And then we use the auxiliaries. I hope it's clear so far. We can continue with the word who. Who. من يعني بالعربي معناها من. Who. نستخدم هذه الكلمة لما نسأل عن الشخص والشخص يكون هو الفاعل subject يكون الفاعل. For example, who opened the door? I opened the door. Who likes football? Who نستخدمها مع الشخص لنسأل عن الشخص الفاعل. إذا انتبهتوا على أسئلة أحب تنتبهون على القواعد بإنشاء هذا السؤال. إذا انتبهتوا الأسئلة ماكو بيها فعل مساعد مجرد الأفعال الرئيسية opened likes. opened هي فعل بالتصريف الماضي the past tense. likes is the present tense. So ما أقول who did open the door. No, when I ask about the subject of the sentence I used the verb directly with the correct conjugation. Who likes football? I don't say who does like football. No, it's wrong. You should say who likes football. Who wrote the letter? Who sent this package? Okay, لما نسأل عن الفاعل the subject of the sentence you use the main verb directly. I hope it's clear and it's not very complicated. So, whose, we use this question word when we ask about the ownership. الملكية. Whose keys are these? Whose turn is it? انتبهوا بعد كلمة whose أستخدم nouns ما أستخدم verb. Whose keys are these? Whose turn is it? Whose children's are those? Whose car is it? The third one is whom. Whom, I use it when I ask about the person or people who are the object of the sentence. يعني شنو؟ يعني أستخدمه لما أسأل عن المفعول به وليس الفاعل. الفاعل نستخدم who يتبعها الفعل الرئيسي مباشرة، بس لما أستعلم عن المفعول به لازم أستخدم whom متبوعة بالauxiliary verb. Whom did you see? Did auxiliary verb in the past. لا تنسون whom وهي الأم بالأخير نستخدمها للسؤال عن المفعول به يتبعها الauxiliary verb. who نسأل عن الفاعل ويتبع المين verb directly. There is no auxiliary verb. Why? Why? Not why. No. Why? As I said before, why we use it to ask for the reason. نسأله على مود نعرف السبب. Or asking what for. Remember, you can ask for the reason by using why or what for. Why do you say that? Why do you want to learn English? Why are you here? Okay? It's the same thing as asking what for. Why not? On the other hand, we use it when we make a suggestion. لما نسوي اقتراح على عمل شيء ما نستخدم why don't. Why don't? For example, why don't I help you? Why don't you come here? Why don't we go outside? Okay? Why don't انتبهوا هي مو السؤال عن السبب وإنما للاقتراح. why itself. why نستخدمها للسبب، بينما why don't نستخدمها للاقتراح وليس للسبب. انتبهوا على الاستخدام الصحيح. how، انتبهوا هسه راح تبدي سلسلة الهاو. how بصورة عامة نستخدمها when we ask about specific manner. For example, how does this work? How did you come here? How can I turn this on? For example, how can I turn this off? Okay? So لما نسأل عن المانر بصورة عامة نستخدم كلمة how. سؤال how. how الطريقة الثانية لاستخدامها لما نسأل عن the condition or the quality، عن حالة معينة. Okay? How was your exam? Or for example, how are you? هسا خلينا نشوف how لما نيجي وراها adjective or adverb المعاني راح تتغير والسؤال المعلومات راح تتغير. Okay, so asking about extent or degree راح نشوف examples هسا. حاليا the first one is how far. How far إذا تعرفون معنى كلمة far يعني بعيد. بعيد يعني شنو؟ يعني distance، المسافة. How far هي للسؤال عن المسافة، the distance. For example, how far is our school? It's about 20 meters. لاحظوا الإجابة تكون عن المسافة. How far is our center? It's not very far away. Okay? إذا ما تعرفون القياسات بالأمتار أو بالكيلومترات, it's not important. You can say it's not far away. Well, it takes time. Okay? So, how far, don't forget, it's related to the distance. How long, it's related to time. How long is the movie? It's about 2 hours. Okay? How far, it's about the distance. How long, it's about the time. How long is the movie? It's about 2 hours. How long is the journey? It's about 4 hours. How many? How many نستخدمها ويا الكميات القابلة للعد المعدودة. Quantity or countables. Countable nouns. How many cars are there? There are many cars. For example, there are 10 cars. أسأل عن quantity، عن الكمية. طبعا الكميات المعدودة. How many books do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many دائما يجي بعدها the noun, and after the noun we use the verbs. How much, on the other hand, we use it also with a quantity but uncountable nouns. How much نستخدمها همين مع الكميات لكن الكميات الغير معدودة. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? For example, there is a typical question you say, how much does it cost? طبعا هذا السؤال يستعلم عن القيمة المالية أو أسعار الأشياء. How much does it cost, for example? This is a very typical question. You can use it at the markets, outside, anywhere. How much does it cost? How old? Old نستخدمها للage، العمر. How old are you, for example? How old is this castle? How old is this city? How old? It's about the age. مو فقط عمر الأشخاص وإنما أي عمر. عمر المدينة، عمر القلعة، التاريخ. How old? How come? How come? انتبهوا, this is informal question. هذا السؤال غير رسمي. ممكن تستخدموه with friends, with family, but not in the formal setting. How come? It's also to ask about the reason. Okay? Asking why. For example, how come I can't see her? So, if you want to ask about the reason, now you have 3 question words. The first one is what for? The second one is why? And the third one is how come? But how come we use it only in the informal conversation. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you liked it. I hope it wasn't very complicated for you. It was clear. Now you should use the question words correctly. You know the meaning, you know when to use them, you know what comes after them, whether it's a noun or an auxiliary verb. If you ask about the subject of the sentence, the object of the sentence, or even the ownership. أعزائي المتابعين، خلصت حلقتنا لهذا اليوم أو خلص درسنا لهذا اليوم. أتمنى تكونوا استفادتوا وتعلمتوا الاستخدامات الصحيحة والتلفظ الصحيح لكلمات السؤال باللغة الإنجليزية. من الآن فصاعدا ما المفروض تسوون أي غلط. I hope so يعني أتمنى ذلك. Before ending the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, share our videos, and turn on your notification bell. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.